Are you fascinated by wildlife and technology? Wildlife conservation is vital for our planet. Technology is transforming how we protect endangered species. Let's explore key tools like drones and cameras. We'll show how they make a difference. First, consider drones. They fly over hard-to-reach areas. This helps researchers collect data efficiently. Voshka, wires. Next we have camera traps. These provide real-time images of wildlife. They help monitor populations without disturbing animals. Etano. Another tool is GPS tracking. It allows scientists to follow animal movements. This data reveals migration patterns and habitat use. Now let's break down each technology. Drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras. They can cover large areas quickly. This saves time and resources for researchers. Camera traps are motion activated. They capture images when animals pass by. This helps identify species and their behaviors. GPS collars send data to researchers. They reveal where animals go for food and shelter. This information guides conservation efforts. Imagine a team studying elephants. They deploy drones to survey large landscapes. Meanwhile, camera traps capture elephants' behavior in the wild. These technologies provide a comprehensive view of wildlife. They help protect species we can't always observe directly. In summary, technology plays a crucial role in wildlife conservation. Drones help survey areas quickly. Camera traps provide invaluable data on animal behavior. GPS tracking reveals migration and habitat use. Technology empowers conservationists to act effectively. Join us in supporting wildlife conservation today. Discover more ways you can help. Subscribe for more insights.